Hi, it's Coach Isabel and today I'll tell you the truth na minsan ayaw nating marinig. Kung hindi mo sisimulan ngayon, kailan pa? Alam mo, marami akong narinig ng ganito. Coach, gusto ko talaga, pero soon. Coach, pag ready na ako. Coach, siguro next month. Pero in reality, walang nagiging ready. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng readiness mo, hindi yung perfect timing. Parang love life lang yan, te. Parang pag may nanligaw sa'yo, tapos sinabi mo, soon, baka next month. Tingnan natin. Ay nako, good luck. Mauunahan ka pa ng mas decisive. Ganon din sa side hustle. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss. The more confidence na hindi mo na-develop and the more time na napupunta sa kakaisip kaysa sa kakatry. Darating yung point na mapapaisip ka, kung sinimulan ko lang sana noon, iba na sana ang buhay ko ngayon. And I don't want you to reach that point because you deserve better. You deserve to grow, earn, and build something for yourself. Now, hindi mo kailangang maging perfect. Hindi mo kailangan na sobrang oras. Hindi mo kailangang hintayin na maging ready. You just need to start. Small steps, paunti-unti, pero sure ball na forward. This is Coach Isabel reminding you, in love and in life, kung puro someday, mapupunta ka sa too late. So, start now the moment you feel the calling. Thank you so much.